A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good. In our last class, we had completed chapter reading of this chapter paper board. Today, we will complete question and answer as an exercise of this lesson. So, here are the word meanings. First of all, write them. First one is shriek. S-H-R-I-E-K, shriek. Scream. It means scream. Second is horrible. It means frightful. F-R-I-G-H-T-F-U-L. Frightful. Awful, which means terrible. 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 Next is console. Console. Console, which means comfort. 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 Next is hesitantly, which means doubtful. 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 I hope you all have written. Now move to the question and answers. Now, first of all, complete this. I hope you all have completed this exercise. Now, let me tell you the right answer. Why did Anna shriek with delight? Answer is the boat sailed swiftly and proudly. That's why Anna shrieked with delight. Next is don't worry, I will make another one for you. Why did Aunt Avanti say this? Answer is the boy snatched the boat. Next question is don't worry, I'll make another one for you. Why did Aunt Avanti say this? Answer is the boy snatched the boat. That's why she said that. Anna wore a dash frock. Answer is purple frock. Why did Aunt Avanti want to make paper boat for boys? For boy, Aunt Avanti realized that the boy has no one to look after him. Now, read an answer. Now, students, you all have to write the question of these answers. Let's write them. First question is describe the boy in the story. And let's move to the answer. And here is the answer. You can see the boy was huge and dirty. The boy was huge and dirty. He was also curious by nature. The boy was very quick to react. Full stop. Next answer is. Next question is but this time something horrible happened. What was the horrible thing? But this time something horrible happened. What was the horrible thing? Answer is, here is the answer. A boy pounced on Anna's boat and pulled it out. He wiped off the water and turned the boat upside down. Full stop. This is the answer. Question number 3. Question number 3 is what did the boy do when Anna's boat got caught between mud and stones? Answer is, here is the answer. The boy dashed through the stream and pulled the boat out of the water. Dashed, D-A-S-H-E-D, dashed through the stream and pulled the boat out of the water. Write down very clearly and write down each and every spelling correctly. Next question is why did the boy turn the boat upside down? Answer is, here is the answer. The boy turned the boat upside down to drain off the water. Full stop. Next exercise is think and answer. Question number 1 is do you think the boy did not notice Anna's angry stare? Answer is, here is the answer. The boy was busy inspecting the boat, so he did not notice Anna's angry stare. Full stop. Next question is, if you had been in Anna's place, would you have given any not so good boat to the boy? Answer is, yes, I would have given my not so good boats to the boy. Answer. Question number 3. Which word describe Aunt Avanti the best? Proud, kind, loving, strict. Answer is, kind and loving are the words that describe Aunt Avanti the best. Next question is, would you give your toys to children who don't have any toy? Why? 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 Why not? Answer is, yes, I would give my toys to children who don't have any because my toys will give them happiness. Full stop. Next exercise is reference to context. Here read the sentence and give the answer of these questions that follows. Suppose he takes all of them. So the question related to this sentence is, first question is, who said this and to whom? Answer is, these words were said by Anna to Aunt Avanti. Next question is, who is he? And answer is, he is the big boy. Full stop. Next question number C is, what is them? Answer is, them are the paper boats that Aunt Avanti is making. Next question, why does the speaker say this? Answer is, the speaker said these words because Aunt Avanti says that she will make many paper boats for Anna. Anna is scared that the big boy will take all her boats. Now move to the hearts question. Why do you think Anna and the boy looked at each other and smiled? Answer is, Anna and the boy smiled at each other because they had become friends. Full stop. Now students, let's move to the exercise. Grammar. Subject verb agreement. Read these sentences. The boy was looking at Anna's boat. The two boats were sailing fast. The verb form can change depending on whether the subject is singular or plural. Single subject, single verb. Plural subject, plural verb. Stick the correct answer to fill the blanks. Here, first question is, Mrs. Shah dash a very good host. So is or are? Mrs. Shah is singular. That's why we will use, क्या use करेंगे हम? Is. Yes. Next is the food dash delicious. So food, we are talking about food which is singular. So was and were. We will use, if there is written so many name of so many foods, then in that case we have to use were. But here we can see single food is written. So we will use was. Now some of the fruits dash gone bad. Some of the fruits have gone bad. Because we use have with plural form. If there is some singular word written, then we have to use has. Now, he seems to have forgotten that there dash things to be done before the party are. There means it's plural. He seems to have forgotten that there things means it's plural. There is written things means चीजें, बहुत सारी चीजें. There are things. Are कब use करते हैं हम? When there is something plural. There are things to be done before the party. Next is some of the players again plural, we use have. Plural players have gone away. Next exercise is, here we can see, find the crossword with the homophones of the words given as clues. Here some words are given as clues. We have to find out the homophones. Homophones क्या होते हैं? The words which sounds similar. जिनकी जो sound होते हैं, pronunciations are similar, but their meaning and their spellings are different. So here you can see the first word is through, THREW, through. The homophone of through is THROUGH, through. The spellings are different, meanings are different, but their pronunciation is same. Next word is number 6, by. Across. Sixth number. Where is sixth number? You have to find out sixth number. Yes, here you can see. By. Across. BY, by. Spelling is different. Here spelling is BY. Next, ninth number, pair. Pair you can see. Here ninth number is PARE, pair. And here you can see PEAR. Next 14th number is 2, Where is 14th? Yes, TOO2. Here TO2. Next is fourth, stairs. Here you can see STARES, stairs. Next is eighth, meet, MEAT. Eighth, MEET, meet. Next is 10th, there. THERE, there. This is also there, this is also there, but spellings and meanings are different. Now move to the next, down. Hair, HARE, hair. Number 2, HAIR, hair. HARE, hair. Next is C, SEEC. Number 4, here SEAC. Number 6 is beer, BEAR, beer. Number 6 here BEER, beer. Next is 11, heel, 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 HEAL, heel. Two different heel. Number 3, high, HI, high. Number 3, yeah, HIGH, high. Number 5th, scent. Number 5th, where is, yes, SCENT, scent. SENT, scent. Number 7th is fair, FAIR, fair. Number 7th is, here you can see FARE, fair. Number 12th is ROUTE, root. Number 12th, ROOT, root. ROOT, root. Number 13 is 4, FOUR. Number 13 is FOR, 4. So here you can see the spellings are different, meanings are different, but the pronunciations of these words are same. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, students. That's all for today's class. Complete this exercise and this one on your notebook, and complete all the question and answers, word meanings on your notebooks. That's all for today's class, student. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Good day.